Hey guys, how's it going? It's Debbie, and I am working on another part painting. uh, Anyways, I'm still working on where if you don't have a lot of paint, but you have some latex paint, so I'm taking small amounts of paint, putting it on, and putting a layer of latex paint on the bottom with your acrylic, what I mean is your acrylic paints on top. So I am been working on that, having a good time, challenging myself also, not with this group. That's what I was thinking about, switching colors from the last one I did. Anyways, I have all my paints mixed up, and if you look in the description, you will find how the paints are mixed. Right now, all the paints I'm using are, I get it mixed up. Liquidtex. I want to say latex, but it is Liquidtex. I'm using latex for the bottom paint. So anyways, so if you have very little bit of paint and you think you can't do anything, just go get a can of latex out and put your acrylic paints on top. All you gotta do is mix them a little bit. If you don't have anything, why not just do, just practice. I mean, by mixing up your own concoctions, because that's pretty much what's going on out there, you know. But these are all mixed with, you'll see in the description, the base. I mean, what they're mixed with. And I've just, now, if you look at my old videos, those were made with just the acrylic paints mixed with either Floetrol or water. And I have no complaints about those. The only reason why I'm doing a little different right now is just to see if it's, you know, just having fun, I guess, more than anything. More of an experience. So, I have a couple drops in each one of these of the Spot On Treadmill silicone, and I spilt it. I lost a part of it. But anyways, keep your lids on tight on everything. But if you're one of those person who, some reason, spill everything, you better keep on extra tight. Some of us do. All right, I'm going to pull you down. Okay. Okay, so this is my latex paint. And this has been thinned with just a little tiny bit of water. So it doesn't really, this is Glidden Semi Gloss. And it could be too thick. And if it is too thick, I'm in trouble. But I'm hoping it's not. If it's too thick, I'll have to scrape it and start over. As I'm pouring it out, I'll be able to, it is a little bit thick. But, yeah, it's better too thick than too thin, right? Okay, so, I don't know. I kind of want to just pour some on there instead of using the stick. Ooh, it's going to have a lot of yellow. What should be next? Black, since it's got a lot of yellow? Just a little black? This black might be too... You know what? This ain't even the black I have mixed up and ready to use. Whoops! Huh. Oh, well. Black is pretty strong. I'm not going to go back on that. Maybe we'll cover that up some with the red, huh? There we go. Okay, so now a little bit of what they're terming cell activator. I am just now beginning to experiment with it. I'm not too sure what the big difference is between this and using, putting, say, several drops of silicone in your titanium white and using that. But heck, we're giving it a shot, and I can't tell you, I've done it another time, and I had a lot of cells, we can say that much. So, all right, I'm going to use my hair dryer here. That's hot. There you go. I'm going to stop that for a minute and add a little bit more white on the edges. Here. You know, something I've learned when using your blow dryer, you need to just try to pay attention of the design you got coming while you're moving your paint. And then, you know, because you're really painting with your hairdryer. Oh, look what I did. Oh, don't do what I do. Learn from all of my mistakes. Oh, well. That'll have to be a piece of this now. And I really like that side. Well, that's okay. We'll, you know, instead of blowing it, well, I want to blow a couple pieces on here. Okay, we're gonna try to pretend that that's not there for a few minutes. There it left. Wasn't gonna try to get rid of it either. But okay. All right. Kind of almost wish I would have just maybe put plain white there for this particular piece. I felt might have looked a little better there. The way it all kind of blew out. Let's see. We're going to give it a quick torch. And there's not very much silicone in this, so, but you can see a little bit over here happening. Oh, look at over there. Huh. Well, what do I want to do? Well, I guess it's a little off-centered. Here's what I like on this one. I like the majority of this whole outside edge. And the stuff I'm not so excited about sits in the middle here. So, let's see. What shall we do about that? Oh. I don't know if we have maybe enough paint to move it one way or another. See, I like the way this comes in. I kind of like all of this. I just don't know what way to go. Well, let's try that corner. What the heck? Sort of interesting, huh? Well, I'm not too sure. I just can't quite make up my mind what way I want to move it. Or if. So I'll just move it a little bit in a few different directions and maybe just at some point call it done. I rarely ever watch the videos when they get done, but when you're putting them up, sometimes you I have to turn on the video sometimes and see which painting it is, because I'll load several of them up at once, and sometimes I'll see where it was prettier before I took it too far. So I think moral of the story is I'm going to call this one done. What do you guys think, huh? So, anyways, hopefully you have a great day, and thanks for stopping by.